Lion Punch Forge. Today is St. Paddy's Day, and I figured, rather than just wear something green, why not do a green rock special? So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna talk about some of my favorite green rocks, and green is my favorite color, so I am gonna have to talk about green stuff. But before we begin, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please, let's see, how's this gonna go? Subscribe right down here. It might be here before I edit the video, but for now it's right here. Hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment about what's your favorite color and what's your favorite color rock that is your favorite color. Let's do that. And always, please like, subscribe, comment, or dislike. It's all feedback to me. So, green rocks, my favorite. Probably one of the most recognizable green rocks is Jade. Get my white slopper here. This is BC Jade. Beautiful green color. Let's see if I have a flashlight. Maybe put some light behind that. Oh yeah, here it is. Yeah. Some beautiful BC Jade. It's phenomenal. BC. Yeah, I like Jade. Alright, next up, probably, I'll save that one for last. So, this is Amazonite. Amazonite is interesting because it will come in greens and blues and different variations. This is a chatoyant variety coming from Colorado. It'll have a nice kind of chatoyancy to it when you polish it up. It has a nice flash. Yeah. Let's get some more out here. All right. I apologize for the background noise if there's any. Neighbors are all working out in the yard. It's a nice day today. Oh, there's a nice piece. So that'll, see if I can find the flash for you. Amazonite. Yeah, good stuff. See if I find one that's a little bit more green. No, that one's more blue. Well, there is green stuff too. I think this stuff is phenomenal. What's next? Hey, let's do Malachite. Malachite and azurite. So azurite is typically blue, malachite is green, and here is a beautiful piece of malachite. Nice, beautiful band. You get a big piece of this, it looks like a green brain. It's relatively soft. Not really, it can be good for jewelry as long as the jewelry isn't worn all the time. It doesn't really have a great wear resistance. It'll lose its polish, and yeah, it's one of my favorites though. Here's another piece. This one, see, has the blue in it. That's azurite, and then the green is malachite. This piece comes from Arizona. I gotta polish that one. That's amazing. Beautiful. Let's see another piece here. I don't like that one. This one. Same thing. You'll see little specks of blue. Both copper minerals. Blue, azurite, green, malachite. And a lot of the times they occur with each other. What else? Nope. Oh, here we go. Here's a nice piece of malachite. It's a nice kind of botryoidal look to it. And then you have the nice layers. Gotta love it. Nope, here's another one. Here's a good one. That'll be pretty polished up. good stuff. Oh, here's a big chunk. Do you want to see the big chunk? I do. There we go. Big chunk of malachite. Vitroidal outside. Super, super pretty. I just love that color green. And what better thing to do for St. Paddy's Day than to have green rocks? Yay! What else? Oh, let's do some green garnet. Green garnet. Let's shine some light on those. There we go, some green goodness. Bring them up here for you guys to see. These ones are, they're a nice gemmy grade, but they're not real great for faceting, and they have a little bit too many cracks and infusions and or inclusions and stuff. Some of these may turn out nice stones. When I facet, I don't necessarily only look for completely clean stones, and the reason for that is a lot of the time in the stores, you go to a jewelry store and they say this is a flawless diamond or this is a flawless amethyst, and you know, nature's not flawless in the sense that everything is absolutely 100% perfect by society standards. Nature is perfect because it is what it is. You know, this isn't just one color. This is as nature made it. These ones are all a little bit different because that's the way the nature made it. So when I facet, typically I'll love having inclusions. I'll love having little fractures, healed fractures in my stones because it's that much more unique. Should we get to my favorite green rock? Here we go. This is Chrysoprase. Absolutely by far my favorite. I love it. A green quartz. This stuff comes from Australia. There's another bigger piece that I haven't cut too much. This one's not the real gemmy, but yeah, it has some gemmy stuff to it somewhere in here. These dark. Let me find a good example of that. I think my good example's in another rock, but this stuff's pretty awesome. Nice green color. It's not the super clear gemmy stuff, but I love cutting and polishing this stuff. It is hard, so it is pretty good with wear resistance. And then another piece of Chrysoprase. See the color differences between some of it? You can get apple green tends to be the most desired color of it, but I like them all. I like all the green colors because it's St. Paddy's Day, and I like green. Green. That's a nice one. Now you have to remember too, when you're cutting, a lot of the time the color you see as a whole rock will get a lot lighter once you cut it down into slabs or make cabs out of it. So a lot of the time you want to leave a layer behind the color so that it reflects back some of the pigment. Let's see this guy here. Another piece of Chrysoprase. Of course, I have a bunch of green jasper and a bunch of other awesome green stuff. But today I wanted to share not a flashlight. Oh, here's a good one. Almost missed it. Yeah. Hello there. There you go. Chrysoprase. There's also a praise opal from Indonesia, and it has a nice apple green color to it. The problem is that when you cut it, it gets almost white clear, so it's hard to get good ones out of it. But here you go. St. Paddy's Day green rocks all in a pile for you to see and love and appreciate and love. They just need to be loved. Love your rocks. All right. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, dislike, like, do your thing. Leave a comment either down here or down here, depending on how I edit this video. And tell me what your favorite color is, and then tell me what your favorite rock is that is your favorite color. Or just your favorite rock. Heck, leave me a comment. I just want to talk to you guys. Hope you have a good day, and happy St. Paddy's Day. Don't drink too much, and yeah, try and catch a leprechaun. Talk to you soon. Thanks for always. Appreciate you.